Today we'll start with the question number 4. In this question it says that which of the following pairs of linear equations are consistent or inconsistent, and if the pair of equations are consistent then we have to obtain the solution graphically. What are the given equations? X plus y equal to 5 and 2x plus 2y equal to 10. These are the given pair of equations. Now in the third question we saw how to find if they are inconsistent or inconsistent. We will solve this question and let's see if these equations are consistent or inconsistent. So the first step would be rewriting these equations, which will be x plus y minus 5 equal to 0 and 2x plus 2y minus 10 equal to 0. Now comparing both the equations, with ax plus by plus c equal to 0. What do we get? a1 is equal to 1, b1 is equal to 1, c1 is equal to minus 5. Similarly, a2 is equal to 2, b2 is equal to 2 and c2 is equal to minus 10. So comparing a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2. So a1 by a2 is equal to 1 by 2, b1 by b2 is equal to 1 by 2 and c1 by c2 is equal to minus 5 by minus 10 is equal to 1 by 2. Minus minus cancel, 5 1s are 5 2s are, so 1 by 2. So we can say that a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2. So which means that the given pair of equations are consistent. So to obtain the answer graphically, we need to plot this in a graph paper. So for that we need coordinates. Solve that, we'll consider equation 1. For example, let's take this as equation 1 and this as equation 2. Okay, equation 1, x plus y equal to 5. Now in this condition, if x is equal to 4, then 4 plus y equal to 5, y equal to 5 minus 4, y equal to 1. Okay. Similarly, if x is equal to 3 plus y equal to 5, y equal to 5 minus 3, y equal to 2. And if x is equal to 2, then 2 plus y equal to 5, y is equal to 5 minus 2. If we send 2 here, it will be minus, so y equal to 3. So we got 3 points, which is if 4, y is equal to 1, if x is equal to 3, y is equal to 2, if x is equal to 2, y is equal to 3. Okay. I will similarly solve for equation 2. I just wrote the coordinates in the box format. Now for equation 2, the equation is 2x plus 2y equal to 10. Here similarly, if x is equal to 4, then 2 into 4 plus 2y equal to 10. 2y equal to 2 into 4, 8. 8 if we send here, it will be minus. So 10 minus 8. So y equal to 2y equal to 10 minus 8, 2. So y equal to 1. 2 cancels. If x is equal to 3, then 2 into 3 equal plus 2y equal to 10. 2y equal to 10 minus 6. 2y equal to 4 by 4. So y equal to 2 1s are 2 2s are 2. And if x is equal to 2, 2 into 2 plus 2y equal to 10. 4 plus 2y equal to 10. 2y equal to 10 minus 4, which will be equal to y equal to 6 by 2. So y equal to, send 2 here, so it will be 6 by 2. 2 1s are 2 3s are 3. For equation 2, we'll make the box. under the x and y coordinates, which will be x4 3 2 and y 1 2 3. So according to the coordinates received, we'll just plot the points here. So you just see the points which are given in these boxes, and we can easily plot the points which are. After plotting the graph, we get a graph like this. You can see here, this is 4,1, this is 3,2, and this is 2,3. So these points we got from here. Since they are similar, I just plotted them once, and you have to write the equations. One here, x plus y equal to 5, and here 2x plus 2y equal to 10. Okay, so we have to write a statement here. Remember, the pair of equations are consistent and have n number of solutions, where n is 0 to infinity. Okay, why infinity? Because we cannot determine how long this arrow can go, so this can be still infinity. Now why we wrote this statement, inconsistent have n number of solutions? Because in the last class we saw that when we get this value, we have a consistent equation and we have n number of solutions. Sorry, make a correction here. It is consistent, not inconsistent. The consistent. Okay. Now for question number 2, we have two equations: x minus y equal to 8, 3x minus 3y equal to 16. First rewrite the equations. X minus y minus 8 equal to 0, equation 1, and 3x minus 3y minus 16 equal to 0, equation 2. Now, comparing both the equation, with ax plus by plus c equal to 0, we get a1 is equal to 1, a2 is equal to b1 is equal to minus 1, c1 is equal to minus 8, a2 is equal to 3, b2 is equal to minus 3, c2 is equal to minus 16. So you got three values. Now a1 by a2 is equal to 1 by 3. Now b1 by b2 is equal to minus 1 by minus 3 equal to 1 by 3, and c1 by c2 is equal to minus 8 by minus 16. So minus 1 is cancelled, so 8 1 the 8 2 the, so 1 by 2. So a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is not equal to c1 by c2. So in this condition, the given pair of equations are inconsistent. And hence have no solution. This is for question number 2. Let's move on to question number 3. Now for question number 3, we have two equations. So we will consider equation 1. This is equation 2. Now comparing both the equation with ax plus by plus c equal to 0, we get a1 b1 c1, a2 b2 c2. What we get? a1 2 b1 y c1 minus 6. Similarly 4 minus 2 minus 4. Compare these values with here. What I have taken, this will be a1 b1 c1, a2 b2 c2. So rewrite the equations. a1 by a2 equal to 2 by 4 equal to 1 by 2. b1 by b2 is equal to, this is 1 by minus 2. c1 by c2 is equal to minus 6 by minus 4, it will be 3 by 2. So here a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2. What does this statement represent? They are consistent and coincident and have exactly one solution. If we find out what is the solution, so for that what we need to plot the graph where we need values. To consider equation 1. Total equation 1, 2x plus y minus 6 equal to 0. So if x is equal to 0, what will be the y value? So 0 plus y minus 6 equal to 0, y will be equal to 6. If x is equal to 1, 2 into 1 plus y minus 6 equal to 0. So y plus 2 minus 6 will be minus 4 equal to 0. So y will be equal to 4. And if x is equal to 2, 2 into 2 plus y minus 6 equal to 0. So 4 plus y minus 6 equal to 0. Y minus 2 equal to 0. Y will be equal to 2. So we got 3 values. What are the 3 values? X, y, 0, 1, 2. If x is 0, y is 6. If x is 1, y is 4 and 2. This was for equation 1. I will do similarly for equation 2. What is equation 2? 4x minus 2y minus 4 equal to 0. Equation 2. So if x is equal to 0, 4 into 0 minus 2y minus 4 equal to 0. So if I send here 2y equal to minus 4. So y equal to minus 2. If x is equal to 1, 4 into 1 minus 2y minus 4 equal to 0. 4 minus 4 will be 0. So 2y equal to 0, then y will be equal to 0. And if x is equal to 2, 4 into 2 minus 2y minus 4 equal to 0. 8 minus 4 minus 2y equal to 0. I'll just keep it here. So 4 minus 2y equal to 0. 2y equal to 4. Y equal to 2. So any doubts here, just put in a comment box. If x is equal to 3, we'll just ignore this as the value is going negative. We'll take 1, 2 and 3. 4 into 3 minus 2y minus 4 equal to 0. 12 minus 2y minus 4 equal to 0. So 8 minus 2y equal to 0, and we get, and I have taken the points here. So 1, 0, 2, 2 and 3, 4. When we plot this for equation 1, we get 0, 6 which will be here, and 1, 4 which will be 1, 4 here, and 2, 2 will be here. And for this 1, 0 will be here, 2, 2 will be here, and 3, 4 will be here. This was a mistake, so don't consider this. When we join the lines, we get the lines as, after joining the lines, this is equation 2 in this equation 1. We get an intersection over here. If we take a straight line from both the axes, we get the coordinates as 2, 2. We get the intersection at point 2, 2. So the lines are coincident. We get the answer as 2, 2. X is equal to 2 and y is equal to 2. Now similarly we have to go for question number 4. Let's solve that. Question number 4, it has two equations, 2x minus 2y minus 2 equal to 0 and 4x minus 4y minus 5 equal to 0. So now we'll take this equation 1 and this is equation 2. We'll see now comparing. Both the equation with ax plus by plus c equal to 0, we get a1 is equal to 2, b1 is equal to minus 2, a1 is equal to minus 2, a2 is equal to 4, b2 is equal to minus 4, c2 is equal to minus 5. Now comparing a1 by a2 is equal to 2 by 4 is equal to 1 by 2, and b1 by b2 is equal to minus 2 by minus 4 equal to 1 by 2. 1 and the 2 and the 2 2s are. c1 by c2 is equal to minus 2 by minus 5 equal to 2 by 5. So a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is not equal to c1 by c2. Therefore the given equation are inconsistent and have no solution. So that's it for question number 4. We'll see question number 5 now. Moving to question number 5, which is very easy to solve if the question is understood properly. So they have given as half the perimeter of a rectangular garden. Okay, then half of the perimeter of a rectangular garden whose length is 4 meter more than its width. So understand this line. Length is 4 meter more than its width, and half of that length perimeter is 36. Okay, don't get confused here. So we have to find the dimensions of the garden. They didn't say dimensions as graphically or algebraically, so we'll just go with algebraically, which is faster to solve. Now let the width of the garden is equal to x meters. Okay, x meters. Therefore we can say length of the garden. What can be length of the garden? So it is length is 4 meter more than its width. So if width is x, then it will be 4 more. So addition of 4 length meter. So meter. Now they have said that half of the perimeter of the rectangle. We know that perimeter of a rectangle is equal to 2 into length plus breadth. So in a case length is x plus 4 plus breadth is x. Second test 2 into 2x plus 4. If we remove the bracket, 4x plus 8. So we get this equation. So we have to take half of this. So half of the perimeter of rectangle, they have said half the perimeter of rectangle is 36 meters. So this is equal to 36. So you can say half of 4x plus 8 is equal to 36. We will just send the 2 here. Okay, 4x plus 8 is equal to 36 into 2. 4x plus 8 is equal to, so we get 2, 6, 7, 72. So 4x is equal to 8 will send here, 72 minus 8. So 4x equal to 64. 72 minus 8 is 64. So x will be 64 by 4. X can be taken as 4 1s are 4 1s are 1, 2 carry, 4 6 are 24, so 16. So we got width is equal to 16 meter Therefore length is 4 more, so 16 plus 4 is 20 meter. So these are dimensions of rectangular block. As simple as that. Okay, so we'll move to question number 6 now. Moving on to question number 6, it states that given the linear equation, so they are given a linear equation as 2x plus 3y minus 8 equals 0. We have to write similar one more equation in two variables, such that the expression, geometrical representation of the pair so formed is intersecting line, parallel line and coincident line. So we had seen the three conditions: intersection, coincident and parallel. According to that, we have to make another equation. Let's see how we do that. The first question is intersecting line. So for intersecting lines, the condition is, we can say a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2. So we have to take a condition where a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2. So let us consider one equation. Suppose we say 2x plus 4y minus 6 equal to 0. Just a random equation, you can take anything, 2x plus 5y minus 4 equal to 0, something like that. Any equation you take, it should satisfy this condition. So let us check. Here a1 is what? According to this equation, a1 is 2 and b1 is equal to 3 and c1 is equal to minus 8. Now similarly, for this equation, a2 is equal to 2, b2 is equal to 4 and c2 is equal to minus 6. So a1 by a2, which will be 2 by 2, equal to 1. b1 by b2 is equal to 3 by 4. So we can see here a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2. Suppose we take here another example. Let's say 3x plus 2y minus 5 equal to 0. Okay, another example. For that condition, what will be a2? It will be 3, b2 will be 2 and c2 will be minus 5. So in that case, what will be b1 by a1 by a2? I'll just draw a partition here. So a1 by a2 will be 2 by 3. b1 by b2 will be 4 by 2, which will be 2 1 the 2 2 the. So here also a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2. So you can take even this equation. So any equation which satisfies this condition can be taken. So moving on to part 2, which will be parallel lines. Let's see how we do that. So for parallel lines, the condition is, the condition to be satisfied is a1 by a2 should be equal to b1 by b2, but it should not be equal to c1 by c2. Okay, so what equation we have? 2x plus 3y minus 8 equal to 0. So what we'll do, we'll take any random number, we will multiply with only 1 and 2 and keep any other number here. Okay, suppose I'll just take 2. Okay, so I'll multiply 2 here, but not here. So consider another equation, which will be what? So if I multiply 2 here, so it will be 4x plus 2 3s are 6, 6y, and I'll take here any random number. Suppose let's say I'll take here 8. Let's keep it 8 only, equal to 0. Okay, so what will the here now? a1 is equal to 2, b1 is equal to 3 and c1 is equal to minus 8. a2 is equal to 4, b2 is equal to 6 and c2 is equal to minus 8. I'm skipping how you take this because already have learned here, learned in the previous questions. Now a1 by a2 equal to 2 by 4, b1 by b2 is equal to 3 by 6. This will be 1 by 2. This will also be 1 by 2. So we know that A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2. Now C1 by C2 is equal to minus 8 by minus 8, which will be equal to 1, which will be not equal to C1 by C2. So this equation can be considered here. Now for coincident lines, we need A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is equal to C1 by C2. This is the very simplest one. See here what we did, we multiplied only the first two variables. Now we have to multiply the entire equation with a constant value. So I'll multiply entire equation with 3. I'll get 2 into 3 is 6x plus 3 into 3 is 9y minus 8 into 3 is 24 equal to 0. You can take even 4, you can take in 5, any values, okay? So now A1 by A2 will be 2 by 6, which will be 1 by 3. Now B1 by B2 will be 3 by 9 equal to 1 by 3. And C1 by C2 is equal to minus 8 by minus 24, which will be equal to 1 by 3. So A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is equal to C1 by C2. Hence, we have got the answer. So the question number 6 was very easy. Now we'll move on to question number 7. Now we'll solve the question number 7. They have given here that draw the graphs of equation x minus y plus 1 equal to 0 and one more equation 3x plus 2y minus 12 equal to 0. We have to determine the coordinates of the vertex of a triangle formed by these lines and the x-axis and shadow the triangle region. So they have said that if this is the graph, then these coordinates will form a triangle, suppose like this, and then we have to shade this region and also find the coordinates, suppose say x comma y and x comma y. So this way we have to solve this question. So let's see how we do that. So first equation, x minus y plus 1 equal to 0, equation 1. For this solution table we will get as, if x is equal to 0, standard procedure, if x is equal to 0, then 0 minus y plus 1 equal to 0, minus y will send here, y is equal to 1. Now if x is equal to 1, then 1 minus y plus 1 equal to 0, minus y will send here, 1 plus 1 equal to y, and y equal to 2. And here if x is equal to 2, then 2 minus y plus 1 equal to 0, 3 equal to y, minus y here, 2 plus 1 is 3, so we get y is 3. So solution table box will draw x, y, 0, 1, 1, 2, 2, 3. Okay, this is for equation 1. Now for equation 2, the equation is given as 3x plus 2y minus 12 equal to 0. Now if x is equal to 0, what will be the condition? So if 3 into 0 plus 2y minus 12 equal to 0, 0 minus 12 here, 2y equal to 12, y equal to 6. Okay, now next will be, we will take even numbers here. If x is equal to 2, then 3 into 2 plus 2y minus 12 equal to 0, 6 plus 2y minus 12 equal to 0, then minus 12 plus 6, so we will get minus 6, 2y minus 6 equal to 0, minus 6 here, 2y equal to 6, y equal to 3. Now if x is equal to 4, so 3 into 4 plus 2y minus 12 equal to 0. So 12 minus 12 plus 2y equal to 0, 0 plus 2y equal to 0, so y will be equal to 0. For equation 2, we get a box as such x, y. So if x is 0, 6, if x is 2, y 3, if x is 4, then y is 0. Okay, now we'll plot the graph. So we have plotted the points here according to these two boxes, equation 1 and equation 2. So you can confirm with the values here. and then we draw straight lines. You can see these three lines connect one line, and then these three dots will connect one line. So we'll see what happens when you connect them. So when we draw these straight lines, we see that there are three intersecting points, one here and one with the x-axis here and another here. So we have to write down the coordinates. So here will be 4, 0, it will be 2, 3, and here will be minus 1, 3, minus 1, 0, sorry. So the coordinates of the vertices of a triangle is equal to, if we label them A, B and C, then A 2, 3, B 4, 0, and C minus 1, 0. Or simply you can say a triangle of A consists of like 2, 4, 0, 2, 3 and minus 1, 0. Okay, so this is the question number 7. This is 3.2. Now we'll see the 3.3 in the next video.